What if the secret to transforming your life could be found in a few simple words you say every day? No more waiting for luck to strike or hoping for things to fall into place. By repeating powerful affirmations, you can take control of your destiny and tap into the law of attraction to manifest your deepest desires. Imagine starting each day by saying, "I am worthy, I am abundant, and I attract positive energy." These words hold incredible power. They align your mind, body, and spirit with the energy of the universe, creating the perfect conditions for your dreams to become reality. Let's explore how these affirmations can shift your mindset and unlock your potential, bringing forth the life you desire. Words are more than just a means of communication. They are powerful tools that influence our thoughts, emotions, and even our reality. Every word we speak carries its own vibration, and that vibration interacts with the universe. When you repeat affirmations like "I am worthy" or "I am abundant," you are sending a message to your subconscious mind, aligning your energy with the very thing you wish to manifest. The law of attraction operates on this same principle. Like attracts like. By speaking positively, you elevate your energy, attracting the things you desire into your life. The key here is consistency. The more you repeat these words, the more they become embedded in your thought patterns. These affirmations shift your focus from limitations to possibilities, reinforcing a mindset of abundance and self-worth. Each time you say, "I attract positive energy," you are consciously aligning your mind with the energy of success, health, and happiness. Repeated affirmations serve as a constant reminder of your inherent power and worth. When you speak affirmations with intention, you begin to rewire your subconscious mind, breaking free from negative thought patterns and beliefs. Instead of seeing obstacles, you begin to notice opportunities. The words you speak daily begin to shape the way you perceive yourself and the world around you. By consciously choosing words that affirm your desires, you are creating a foundation for positive change. Your words carry a frequency, and when spoken with belief, they have the power to shift your entire energetic field. This shift makes it easier to attract positive outcomes as the universe responds to your energy. By consciously focusing on affirmations, you are actively participating in the manifestation process, drawing in the very things that align with the positive energy you are projecting. The law of attraction operates on the principle that our thoughts and energy influence the reality we experience. Affirmations play a pivotal role in this process by helping you align your thoughts and emotions with the frequency of what you want to manifest. When you say affirmations like "I am worthy" or "I attract abundance," you are signaling to the universe that you are ready to receive what you desire. These words help to clear any doubts or fears, making space for your dreams to materialize. Affirmations work by reinforcing the belief that you are deserving of everything you wish for. The more you repeat them, the more you tune into the frequency of abundance and success. For example, saying "I am abundant" affirms that you are open and ready to receive all the wealth, opportunities, and prosperity the universe has in store for you. This frequency of abundance resonates with the law of attraction, which then draws experiences and people who align with that vibration. As you repeat these positive affirmations, they not only change your thought patterns, but they also influence your emotions and actions. Your beliefs shape your reality, and affirmations help to align all three: thoughts, emotions, and actions. When you believe you are worthy of love, success, or happiness, you begin to take actions that are in alignment with those beliefs. You start to make decisions and choices that support your desires, and the law of attraction responds accordingly. This alignment with the law of attraction occurs naturally when you consistently practice affirmations. By repeating empowering words daily, you shift your inner energy to match the frequency of your desires. The universe then sends opportunities and experiences that reflect this new alignment. The more you practice, the more effortless it becomes, as the law of attraction operates based on the energy you put out into the world. There's real science behind the effectiveness of affirmations. When you repeat positive statements, you engage your brain's neuroplasticity, the ability to rewire itself and form new neural connections. This means that by consistently repeating affirmations, you are literally changing the way your brain works, shifting your thought patterns and reinforcing beliefs that empower you. Over time, these affirmations become automatic responses deeply embedded in your subconscious mind. The process of rewiring your brain through affirmations involves strengthening the neural pathways associated with positive beliefs. The more you focus on affirmations like "I am capable" or "I am deserving," the more your brain strengthens those connections. These positive neural pathways then become the default way you think, making it easier to focus on solutions rather than problems, and opportunities rather than obstacles. Neuroplasticity also plays a role in reducing stress and anxiety. When you affirm positive thoughts, you're overriding the negative thoughts that typically cause stress. Your brain begins to release chemicals such as dopamine and serotonin, which are responsible for feelings of happiness and calm. Your body begins to turn towards health. You wouldn't eat without thinking about it, and your brain begins to release chemicals such as dopamine and serotonin. These shifts in brain chemistry create a more balanced, positive outlook on life, helping you to feel more aligned with your desires. By reinforcing these positive neural connections, you strengthen your belief in yourself and your potential. Over time, this helps you to see the world through a lens of possibility, where challenges become opportunities and obstacles are seen as stepping stones toward success. The scientific backing for affirmations shows just how powerful your words can be in shaping not only your thoughts, but your reality as well. To truly harness the power of affirmations, they need to become a consistent part of your daily routine. Start your day with a few minutes dedicated to repeating your affirmations. You can say them aloud or silently, whichever feels most natural to you. The key is to make this practice a regular habit. By starting your day with positive affirmations, you set a powerful tone for the rest of the day, ensuring that your thoughts remain aligned with your goals. Consistency is the foundation of any successful affirmation practice. The more you repeat your chosen affirmations, the more deeply they are ingrained in your subconscious mind. Set aside a specific time each day to practice, whether it's in the morning, during your lunch break, or before bed. The goal is to incorporate affirmations into your life in a way that feels natural, reinforcing positive energy throughout your day. You can also write down your affirmations to further solidify their impact. Writing engages both your visual and kinesthetic senses, making the affirmations more powerful. As you write, focus on the meaning behind the words and allow yourself to truly feel the emotions they evoke. The more emotional energy you put into your affirmations, the stronger their effect on your reality. To keep your affirmations fresh and aligned with your evolving goals, you can also change them periodically. As you achieve one goal, update your affirmations to reflect the next step in your journey. This continual process ensures that your affirmations remain relevant to your current desires and that you stay in alignment with the energy of your dreams. One of the most profound benefits of affirmations is their ability to boost self-confidence and empower you to take action. Affirmations like "I am capable" or "I am worthy" help to shift your mindset from one of doubt to one of belief. The more you repeat these affirmations, the stronger your belief in yourself becomes, which naturally leads to increased self-confidence. This confidence allows you to take bolder steps toward your goals, knowing that you are deserving of success and happiness. As your confidence grows, so does your sense of empowerment. Affirmations not only reinforce your worth, but also help you realize that you have the power to create the life you want. By consistently affirming your abilities and your potential, you step into your power, knowing that you are capable of achieving your dreams. This self-empowerment radiates outward, attracting positive experiences and people into your life. The positive energy you project through affirmations creates a magnetic field that draws opportunities and success. When you believe in your worth and capabilities, others will recognize it too. This confidence opens doors and paves the way for you to pursue your passions and goals with clarity and purpose. Affirmations serve as a constant reminder that you are worthy of the life you desire, reinforcing your sense of self-esteem and self-worth. Affirmations help you take control of your life. Instead of waiting for external circumstances to change, you realize that you have the power to shape your reality through your thoughts and beliefs. This sense of empowerment is one of the greatest gifts affirmations can give you, an unshakable belief in yourself and your ability to manifest the life you deserve. Repeating powerful affirmations every day is more than just a habit. It's a tool that can transform your life. By saying, "I am worthy," "I attract abundance," and other empowering phrases, you connect with the universe's energy and align yourself with the vibrations of your desires. The more you repeat these words, the stronger your connection to the energy of manifestation becomes. The law of attraction responds to the energy you project, bringing forth opportunities and experiences that match your new mindset. Start today and watch how your life shifts with every "I am" you say. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more empowering content that can help you unlock your true potential.